Welcome to Learn and Draw. I am Anup Desai, working as lecturer. For more videos on Autocad and engineering drawing, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw. In this video, we learn to draw 3D modeling using the Autocad software. So when we open the AutoCAD software, we get the page like this. So before going to draw the 3D model, so we have to do the initial setup. That is, we have to set the units, limits and zoom the page. So let's now do that. First, let's set the units. For that, we can type units in the command bar and press enter. So we get the page like this. Here already it is set to millimeters, so we will just press OK. Next is we have to set the limits. For that, just type limits and then press enter. So now it is asking the lower left corner. So here we have to give 0 0 enter. Next, it is now asking the upper right corner. So in the upper right corner, we can give it as 200, 250, 300. It is depending upon the size of our drawing. So at the moment, I will give it as 200, tab 200, enter. So next is we have to zoom the page. For that, we have to press the shortcut Z. Here it appears as zoom, then press enter. Now in the zoom, there are number of different sections like all, center, dynamic, extend, etc. So in these options, we have to select all. So the shortcut for all is A, then press enter. Now we have zoomed the page. Next, we have to draw this 3D model. We have to select the 3D mode. So for that, here at the bottom, we have to go to the settings, or it is a workspace switching. Here we have to select 3D modeling. So now we can draw the 3D model. So this is the question, that is front view, top view and side view of the machine component. So you can see here in the front view, it looks like a L-shaped object. Okay. So from the top view, we can see that it has the size of 100 mm into 70 mm. And also at the bottom, there is a cutout of 25 mm. So when we see the machine component from the side view, we can see that there is a cutout in the shape of U when we see the machine component from the side view. Now first let's draw this machine component in the three-dimensional drawing according to our front, top and the side views. Okay, so first let's draw the machine component with respect to the top view. Okay, so as we see the question, the top view has the length of 100 mm and it has the width of 70 mm. We can get it from the side view. Okay, first let's draw a rectangle of sides equal to 100 mm and 70 mm, and also from the front view we can see that it has the height of 20 mm. So the extrusion should be equal to the extrusion should be equal to 20 mm. So first let's draw this one. For that, we'll go to the view, and in the views we will select here the top view. So this is the top view. So here once again we'll come back to home, and here we'll select the rectangle. First let's draw the rectangle of 100 and 70 mm of width. So now here we get this rectangle. So the next part, here in the top view you can see there is a cutout of 25 mm and it is at a distance of 55 mm from the left side. So now what we will do is we'll take here rectangle. Okay, then from the bottom part we will extend this up to the length of 55 mm. Okay, so we'll get it from here. Next is we have to draw this cutout. So the cutout has the height of 20 mm and it has the length of 25 mm. Okay, so we'll type 25 and 20, then we'll press enter. So now we have got this cutout. Okay, so next let's extrude this one. For that, what we have to do is we have to go to view, and in the views we'll select SE isometric. Okay, so now we have got this view. So next is we'll go back to home. Next we'll extrude this. We'll extrude this according to the front view that it has the height of 20 mm. So we'll select here extrude. We'll select here this rectangle. Okay, so then we'll press enter. So how much extrusion? It is 20. Then we'll press enter. So next is we will extrude the cutout also. For that we'll select here extrude. We'll select here rectangle, which is the cutout. We'll press enter, and then what will be the height of this? Height is equal to 20 mm, and here we'll press enter. So next one is we have to do the cutout in this whole block. So for that what we will do is we'll select here the subtract option, then we'll select the first object, press enter. Next we'll select the object that has to be cut out, that is this rectangle. We'll press enter. Now we can see that the whole cutout is completed. Next step for us is to draw the part here in the front view. Okay, so as we can see, in the front view the object or the machine component looks like a L shape. Okay, so the bottom part we have already drawn. The left side part we have to draw. Okay, it has the height of 90 and it has the width of 20. So for that what we will do is we will go to the view, and in the view, since we are drawing according to the front view, we will select here front. Okay, so we'll get the figure like this. So next is, as we can see, the height is 90 and the width is 20. So we have already drawn up to 20 mm, right? So remaining, how much we have to draw? We have to draw the remaining 70. So the height should be equal to 70 and the length should be equal to 20. So we'll go to the homes here and we'll select here rectangle. So we'll select this point. Next is length should be equal to 20. How much is the height? Height should be equal to 70. We'll press enter. See, we have got this L shape. Okay, so next what we have to do, we go to view. In the views we'll select here SE isometric. So it looks like this, right? So next we have to extrude this rectangle to the end. For that we'll go to home, we'll select here extrude, we'll select this object and press enter. So how much extrusion we want? We want up to the end of this. The length is 70. We'll type 70 and press enter. Now we have drawn the machine component according to the front view. Next let's join this top and the bottom component. For that we have to select here union. We'll select this top component, we'll select this bottom component and we'll press enter. Now it has become a complete one object. Next is we have to draw according to the side view. Okay, as you can see in the side view it has the cutout of U shape. Okay, so the cutout is at a distance of 15 and 15 from the left side and right side of the figure. Next, one more thing is it has the length of 40 mm and it has the width of 25 mm, and at the distance of 25 mm we have to draw an arc. Okay, so these three things we need to remember while we draw according to the side view. Okay, so next let's draw this one. For that what we'll do, we'll go to view here, and in the views you can see top, bottom, left. So we'll select the left view. Okay, so we get the figure like this. So next one is what we have to do, we have to do this cutout. Okay, so let's do the cutout. So for that, what we'll do, we'll go to home again, then we'll select here rectangle, we'll place it here. How much extension we want 15. We'll press enter. Next, how much will be the cutout will have the length of 40, then it will have the width. How much will be the width will be equal to -25, and we will press enter. So see, we have got this rectangle. Next, one more is we have to draw the arc. So to draw the arc, we will select here circle, center, diameter, then we'll go to the center. Here we'll get the midpoint. So at the midpoint we'll draw this circle. So how much should be the circle? As you can see, the circle coincides with our cutout, so it will have the diameter of 40. We'll type 40 and press enter. So next process is we have to extrude this. For that, we'll go to the view. In the view, we'll select SE isometric. Okay, so here we can see we have to extrude this cutout. Okay, so for that, what we have to do, go to home. So we'll select the first one, press enter. Sorry, we'll select the extrude, we'll press this rectangle, press enter. How much should be the extrusion? It should be 20. We'll press enter. Next is let's extrude the circle. For that, select extrude, circle, select the circle, press enter. So now it is asking the distance, give it as 20 and press enter. Next, let's join this rectangle as well as circle to form the complete cutout. So for that, we'll select here union, we'll select the first rectangle, we'll select second one, that is the circle, and we'll press enter. Now the complete cutout is ready. Next, we have to subtract this whole cutout with the machine component. For that, we have to select the subtract option, that is select the subtract. We'll select the first object here. Okay, so this is the complete object. We'll press enter. Next, we'll select the cutout, that is this cutout, and we'll press enter. Now the whole machine component is ready. We will verify is it correct or not. For that, we'll go to the view here. So in the 2D, we'll select this 2D wireframe. So here we can select any options to verify that our component is correct or not. I will select here shades of gray. You can select conceptual or other also. So now we can see here our machine component is ready. Okay, so now we can take the printout. To take the printout, what we can do, we'll press Ctrl P. Okay, so here we can select the name of our printer and we'll press OK to take the printout. So this completes the 3D modeling of the machine component using Autocad software. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos on Autocad and on 3D modeling, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw.